Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for your coffee brewing setup, the Cuisinart DGB-400GLID Replacement Grind and Brew 12-Cup Grinder Basket Lid. If you're looking to restore your Cuisinart coffee maker to its optimal performance, you've come to the right place. We found this product online, and we've added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Cuisinart DGB-400GLID? It's the original equipment manufacturer, OEM, replacement lid specifically designed for the Cuisinart Grind and Brew 12-Cup coffee maker. This lid is essential for models DGB-400 and DGB-400NAS, ensuring that it fits properly and performs as intended. It's not a universal lid, so if you own one of these models, this is the replacement you need. One of the standout features of this grinder basket lid is its ability to securely contain coffee grounds during the grinding cycle. This means less mess on your countertop and more consistent results in your brewed coffee. No one enjoys cleaning up spilled grounds, and this lid helps minimize that hassle, allowing you to focus more on enjoying your coffee rather than cleaning up after it. Durability is another key highlight of the Cuisinart DGB-400GLID. Made from heat-resistant materials, this lid can withstand daily use and high brewing temperatures without warping or cracking. If you've ever dealt with a flimsy lid that couldn't hold up to the heat, you'll appreciate the solid construction of this replacement part. It's designed to last, making it a wise investment for your coffee-making routine. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you own a Cuisinart DGB-400 or DGB-400NAS model coffee maker, this replacement lid is a perfect fit for you. It's especially ideal for those who frequently brew coffee at home and rely on their grind and brew system to deliver a fresh brew every time. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast or just someone who enjoys a good cup in the morning, having a fully functional lid is crucial for your brewing process. Practical use cases for the DGB-400GLID extend beyond just grinding coffee. If you've ever found yourself with a damaged or missing lid, you know how it can affect your coffee maker's performance. Replacing it will not only restore your machine's functionality but also enhance your overall brewing experience. Imagine waking up to the rich aroma of freshly ground coffee, knowing that your machine is operating at its best. In conclusion, the Cuisinart DGB-400GLID replacement grinder basket lid is an essential accessory for anyone looking to maintain or restore their grind and brew coffee maker's performance. With its secure fit, durable construction, and mess-minimizing design, it's a smart choice for coffee lovers everywhere.